Hi, my name is Rincy Samuel. I'm the CEO and founder for Rozan Aesthetic Clinic, which is my baby and my dream venture. And this is my entry for the Dream Challenge 2014. I'm the CEO and founder for Rozan Aesthetic Clinic. It's always been my passion to do something to do with aesthetics, cosmetics, and with people, because this is something that I've really been good at. And I want to utilize my strengths to set up my own company and to leave a mark or leave a legacy. So the reason I've started out is because I wanted to change people's lives and do something different, or something that is different from an IT or from the computer industry. So my company is named Rozan Aesthetic Clinic, and we are covering all aesthetic related services for skin, hair, weight loss, makeup artistry. We also cover dietary counseling and emotional counseling for those with visible skin disorders and those who require support. So we do have doctors on our team. Right, as of now, we are covering two schools of medicine, which is allopathy and homeopathy. And my dream is to take this to a level wherein I have the best of three worlds, the best of allopathy, homeopathy, as well as Ayurvedic medicine. This is coming from my experience, because you cannot solve a problem or an ailment with just one school of medicine. You may have to try something else that works for you. What works for one person may not work for somebody else. So what we do is try to find out the best fit of all the three, maybe two or maybe three, that is the right fit for your healing and for your well-being. How we are different from our competition is the fact that they don't have the emotional angle, or they don't cover counseling. Counseling is something that I do with my clients, for which there is at no additional cost, because I realize that healing comes from within. If you are okay in the inside, or if you are happy in the inside, is when you can start seeing its effect. The effects of that happiness is what manifests on the outside. Whereas if you are hurt and angry and bitter, you carry with you all this baggage of negativity and resentment, and eventually that is going to lead to some problem that is going to manifest on the physical front. So having said that, how we are different, or what we do better, is the fact that in addition to medicines, we also give you dietary advice and counseling, and we also cover this with counseling and emotional support as well, if required, even for the patient's spouse or the immediate family member. So this is what we do, and this is how we are different. We are located at Hoodie Junction, Whitefield, very strategically located at one end of the IT corridor. And we are looking to partner with corporates, with colleges, with finishing schools, air hostess academies, and we want to not just work in a competing manner, but in a collaborative manner, such that both parties benefit. So this is what I would like to share about my venture. And in terms of how I want to scale up or take up, I would like to look at a model, a scaled up model, wherein we can look at all of aesthetics and not just cover skin, hair, weight loss, or makeup artistry, but also covers dental aesthetics and probably even surgical options for aesthetics or cosmetology. And we can also look at a scaled down version of tying up with hotels and resorts, sort of like a salon spa model. So that is something that is also into aesthetic services, but it is more of the physical well-being and more of the pampering services, rather, if I can put it so that way. Right now, the mode that I am working is in a clinical mode, which is somewhere in between as that of a hospital and a spa. So this is the area that I would like to focus on. And what I would like to do is, through this venture or through my services, if I can reach out to somebody and change their life for the better, for the positive, not to allow the temporary problems in their life to demotivate them, and to take out that frustration on that, so that I want to step in at that point wherein to give them a source of encouragement, to tell them that what they are going through is a temporary phase, and you will come out of it, and you will do better, you will get better, but you need to believe that it will happen. If you believe that this is the end of everything, you are going to fulfill that prophecy and make that that realization happen. Rather, you have to fight the negative thoughts. You have to fight those who talk to you negatively, and believe that no, this is something I can overcome. So you find this is more of a battle within yourself that you're trying to overcome, and this is where we step in to help them to understand, to reach that goal, to help them get out of this depression or this trauma that they are stuck in. This is the one of our very key differentiators between Rosanna Aesthetics and my competitors.